ESD PVC flooring tiles are known for their exceptional durability and functionality in various industrial and commercial settings. The durability of anti-static flooring tiles is attributed to their high-quality materials and construction. They are made from robust PVC compounds that are resistant to wear, tear, abrasion, and chemical exposure. This makes them ideal for use in areas such as electronics manufacturing facilities, cleanrooms, laboratories, and data centers where durability is a top priority. In addition to durability, ESD vinyl flooring tiles offer excellent functionality. They are designed to dissipate static electricity quickly and efficiently, reducing the risk of electrostatic discharge damage to sensitive electronic components and equipment. ESD tiles are also easy to install and maintain, making them a cost-effective solution for businesses looking to improve their electrostatic discharge control measures. Overall, the durability and functionality of ESD flooring tiles make them a popular choice for businesses in a wide range of industries. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.